let's kill 3 birds with a stone. Not literal birds, because I love birds. This is Buros Annelus Parken, very beautiful. So these 3 birds are: one, sun gazing. Let's look at the sun. Sun gazing. And then let's practice our belly laughter to fight against depression. So to put your hand on the belly, and so you check if your laughter is deep. And the third bird is gratefulness, the sense of I'm grateful for these beautiful flowers and for this wonderful sun. So let's be happy and sun gazing, gratitude, and belly laughter.